Hello from me, Lazarus IDE. Welcome to the next lesson in my course on Introduction to Lazarus IDE. Currently I am working on my second book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 2. And here are the free chapters from it, which are free to download and to which you have a link. In the second part, and in the third, are those that are from the paid part of the book. We have now reached Chapter 5, and we are looking at the fourth point of it. Let's open the PDF file. Dynamic Component Creation in Lazarus IDE. In Lazarus IDE and Object Pascal, dynamic component creation is a powerful technique that allows us to create and manage components at runtime rather than manually adding them via design mode. But, of course, this should be done carefully and only when necessary. Here are the basic principles of dynamic creation of a component. We declare a variable for the component. Then we use the create method for the component class, and there are three ways to do this. Via self, it is automatically released, or destroyed. Via nil, we have to manually release it, or destroy it, or only via create, for non-visual components, when it is released manually. Let's set the parent property so that it is displayed in a specific container, as this is only valid for visual components. And if desired, we can set additional properties and events. There are some subtleties here, but let's see them with an example. For example, here's how to dynamically create a button using create. Here's what we write in the procedure. We create a new button. We set the parent, that is, the shape. We set the values at the X position, at Y position, and we add an event on click, that is, when the mouse is clicked. Here's what the message is. Here's the explanation. Here we create a button dynamically, by pressing another, already created button. The creation is done via create self and we set parent. Parent equals self. We also set some more properties and bind it to an event that displays a message. Let's see what will be displayed on the form. By the way, I'll show this, of course, and in real life. Let's open Lazarus IDE. Here's the button, and in its events we set in the on-click event, button one-click. So, here's the program. I compiled it and you see what happens. When I press the start button, the dynamically created button appears. When I click on it, a message appears stating, "This button has been clicked." That's all for this lesson. Best regards.